Welcome to Aimful International Product Course Training. Please click on to our website, which is aimful.in, which is user-friendly, whether used through a laptop or a desktop or a mobile version. So this is a mobile version training, one-step solution to all your problems, like about your career, about your future. This particular website in mobile is very friendly for us, just like how you use it in a laptop or a desktop. So let's get into our website and see how friendly it is and how it is going to help us. And what is so special about these courses and how our product courses are different from the other courses, and what is this going to, how is this going to give a better future for us. So please click and or type aimful.in, aimfill.in. So the moment you click on to aimful.in, this is the page which opens. So when you scroll down, you're able to see so many courses available. So before entering into each of these courses and their description, we need to understand, why should I choose Aimful? What is Aimful all about? And how will I be benefited by taking up the training or the course from this university? Aimful is a part of DGITO. DGITO is Department of Global Intelligence Transfiguring Organization. As we all know, the full form of DGITO. So DGITO is associated with National Skill Development Council. So why are they associated with the National Skill Development Council? Reason is that they wanted to develop skilled India. They wanted to develop all the people under different sectors, which is really a booming field. Those sectors are nothing but AASC, which is Aerospace and Aviation Sector Skill Council, THSC, which is nothing but Tourism and Hospitality Skill Council, BWSSC, which is nothing but Beauty and Wellness Sector Council. I will show you where all these councils are available in our mobile version of training, what we are seeing right now. So before that, we just have to know an outline of why should we choose Aimful, which is a part of DGITO. Now, as I said, AASC, Aerospace and Aviation Sector Skill Council. So by the name itself, it is very well clearly understood that it deals with aerospace and aviation courses related to that. And the certification will be issued by NSDC and AASC. So in case of THSC, Tourism and Hospitality Skill Council. So it's something related to tourism and hospitality. So you get a certification from THSC, the respective the respective courses. Like, am I doing a tourism course? I get a certificate for tourism. I get a hospitality, I get a certificate for hospitality. So the same way, you're also getting an additional certificate from the NSDC, which is the National Skill Development Council, like an approval certificate. BWSSC is Beauty and Wellness Sector Council. So you get a certificate from BWSSC as well as from NSDC. Now when we are going into Aimful International, Aimful International is the #1 aviation training institute. So we have 14 courses along with 2 additional courses, luxury courses. Apart from that, for people below the poverty line, we have certain skilled courses for them as well, which is excluding from these 14 courses. So let's go one by one. Before that, let's know the advantages of Aimful International. As we know, compared to the other sectors, the airline, aerospace, aviation, as well as the travel, tourism and hospitality is highly in demand. So all these 14 courses are relevant with airline, travel, tourism and hospitality. Additionally, if you want to have courses, you can also take courses from beauty sectors, which comes from a different brand. Like we have L'Espanio Academy, which issues the Beauty Sector Council, which has courses for the Beauty Sector Councils. Now, what kind of a certification and how is it different from the other training institutes or the other campus? We have international in-flight training for international courses. We also have a UK certification. We also have a record placement history of more than 5,000 students who are placed in the aviation sector. Other advantages are, we have 3 months internship in Dubai or UK. We have various sectors, continuous support given by the people of DGITO, AIMFL International to every single candidate. They are the sole owners. They take the sole ownership and commitment in assuring and giving a right career for every single candidate. Now, as I said, we have 14 courses. Along with that, we have 2 extra international courses. As well, we have these additional below poverty line courses, like people who are not affordable to pay, but they are really skilled workers. They are able to choose the courses AI00 and ADD01 and ADD02, ADD03. So, if we will go one by one. Now, AI00, as I said, AIMFL International and SDC courses concentrates more on airline as well as travel tourism courses. AI00 is an airline cabin crew plus a certification, IAM certification from DGITO, which is 9,000. So we need to know what is the skill set for us to take up this particular course. Now, when we click here to know more about it, the course opens. Can you see this? Just scroll down. It is very simple to understand. Apply for being a part of a brand implementation program. Fear 9, Fly Every Day and Rise is our 9 days free cabin crew program. So it's a stepwise instruction, very clearly, detailedly given. So you need not to worry that do I have to have a laptop or a desktop every time I have to go and search for the courses or make for a payment. Even through your mobile, it is user friendly, that every single detail is clear, picture perfect in the website. You can just scroll down and see why you have to choose this, how you have to choose, what is the benefit of choosing this, what are the advantages of choosing this. So it's a free cabin crew program. So training is given by experts from the airline industry. It costs 9,000. This is for people who meet the skill set. For example, people who are already up to the standards. Like there are certain standards where we have, like for any job you take, there's a basic qualification skill set. When you match up to that skill set and when you're exceeding the skill set already, there are discounts, offers, concession, and they give you a better role, better pay. This is applicable everywhere. That's the same here as well. When you are exceeding the multi-level skill set and when there is no need for us to give you an extra training, but just a slight bit of touch-up and a grooming is required, and certain professional ethics and professional way of speaking, personality grooming, only there is a certain touch, a makeover which is needed, an extra additional amount of time which we invest on you compared to the other candidates. So when you meet up and when you exceed beyond the skill set, so that is when you can opt for courses like these. So you have complete detail of who has to choose this course. Can you see this? This program is for the students and working professional who want to steer into their career in just 8 days and can qualify for the interview. So 10th and plus 2 are eligible. So when you still scroll down, you can see the brand, you can see the course code, you can see the duration, eligibility and the certification. Also you can see the modules. What are the specific modules given? On what top modules will you be trained on? And what is the description of the training, how many hours of training it is, and how many sessions of training it is. And every course details and highlights are given here. Now let's go back. So the government, this is all discounted fee already. The government has discounted the fee. So these courses, this AI00, ADD01, ADD02 and ADD03. So this particular courses, like for the first course, as I said, the 9,000 is for extraordinary people who are exceeding beyond the skill set. These are for below poverty line people who still wants to take up the course. So our only main motive is we need skilled Indian workers. Any dedicated candidate who comes forward can be trained according to their skill set. Now let's get into the actual courses. Like as I said, all these are into airline, travel, tourism and hospitality. So we have 3 different kinds of degrees which we get. It could be a diploma, it could be a certificate, or it could be a university graduation. Either a UG or a PG or a BBA or an MBA. Now let's go one after the other. Now, what we will be seeing here is the first set of courses. AI01 to AI04 are all single diploma courses done for a period of 3 to 6 months. Now let's get into it and see what is the advantage of every single course. So first I will brief you what exactly it is. So on AI01 to AI04, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these first 4 courses are single diploma courses for a period of 3 to 6 months. Okay. So what are the modules? So for the first course, AI01, this is for 8 modules for a period of 6 months where they will concentrate on airline cabin crew. The certification is being issued by AASSC of NSTC by the National Skill Development Corporation. So as you see here, it's a professional job-oriented certification, DGITO training, AASSC certification issued by the NSTC. And the course cost is 56,500. So it's a single diploma course. This particular course is for having 8 modules for a period of 6 months. When we go ahead and click here, the same way, when you scroll down, you can clearly see who has to choose, what is the eligibility, what is the advantage of this course, and what are the modules which are being trained, what is the certification which is being issued, how many hours the course is being taken, and what is the name of each and every module, and what is the description of every single module. So this particular module concentrates on cabin crew certification for a period of 6 months in 8 modules, which is costing around 56,500. Now the second course when we go, which is diploma in, it's a airline customer service executive. The previous one what we saw was a cabin crew certificate, a single certificate, a single diploma. This one is a customer service executive for 3 months and we have 8 modules, which is 31,500. The same way when you click the course, when you go down, when you scroll down, you can see. Can you see? 8 modules as I told you for a period of 3 months in 240 hours. It's a customer service executive program. So it's not required that someone has to explain all the details. This website is very simple to understand because everything is detailedly explained in simple language. Then we have AI03. This is concentrating on the flight dispatcher training, which is 51,500 for 9 modules for a period of 6 months. AI04 is concentrating on a diploma course on tourism and hospitality front office associate. So front office associate, where does it fall under? It falls under tourism and hospitality sector skill council. So from AI01 to AI04 is a single diploma course concentrating on, the first one is cabin crew, the second one is customer service executive, the third certification is flight dispatcher, and the fourth one, AI04, is front office associate. The certificate is issued by THSC, which is nothing but Tourism and Hospitality Sector Skill Council of the NSDC, which is for 9 modules and it is for 3 months, which is 26,500. Now let's get into the second set of training. Second set of courses. So AI01 to AI04 is single diploma. Either 3 months is also available, 6 months is also available under different sectors like customer care, flight dispatcher, cabin crew. Now the next set comes into AI05 to AI07, which is a III executive diploma for a period of 9 months. And the course fee is 1 lakh. So this is also under different sectors, like it's different specialities. AI05 and to AI07, III executive for a period of 9 months, and the course fee is 1 lakh. So here AI05 is concentrating on the specialty of airline and travel management. 15 modules are covered in 9 months. The same way you can click onto it and view the description. AI06 is concentrating on flight dispatcher and airline travel management for 16 modules, the same in 9 months. AI07, hospitality and airline travel management. As I already said, airline, aerospace as well as the travel and tourism. These are the sectors these aimful NSDC courses are concentrating on. So AI05 to 07, the specialities are airline and travel management for AI05. AI06 is flight dispatcher and airline travel management. AI07 is hospitality and airline travel management. We also have 3 professional job-oriented certifications which are provided from AI05 to AI07, any specialities you take. So as it's clearly stated here, 3 professional job-oriented certification with SMART and NSQF standards. Next comes AI08 to AI10. The course fee is 2 lakh and it comes for a period of 1 year, which is called as the 7-star diploma course, AI08 to AI10. So what is so special about these courses are, as I already told you, the course fee is 2 lakhs, but the duration falls for 1 year, which is a 7-star diploma, meaning you get 7 certifications. AI08 to AI10. So we will be getting 7 different certifications in 12 months from DGITO, from AASSC and THSC for travel tourism. THSC certificate will be given for travel tourism course. AASSC certification will be given for aerospace aviation course. Now, AI08 specialty is airline and travel management. AI09 specialty is flight dispatcher and airline travel management. AI10 is hospitality and airline travel management. Once we get to know what are these courses, let's get into one of the courses and see how the payment mode goes through. Now, let's get into the next set of courses, which is from the set of courses which I am going to speak now. All these courses will have a facility progression to BBA or MBA directly with a university. That is an additional advantage here. That is all the courses henceforth. So this next set of courses AI11 and 2 AI12. Course fee would be 3 lakhs for a period of 1 year. So what is so special about these courses? As I already told, they have a BBA or MBA directly with the university. All the courses henceforth which I am going to speak forward. So this 7-star diploma, domestic, so it's called as a domestic diploma certification. So AI11. Now, 7-star domestic diploma and international diploma. First we'll go with domestic diploma, which is AI11 and AI12. AI11 7-star domestic diploma has a specialty of airline, hospitality and travel management. AI12, which is having a 7-star domestic diploma in flight dispatcher and travel management. So the only difference is AI13 is also airline, hospitality and travel management. AI14 is flight dispatcher and travel management. The only difference is 1.1 and 1.2 are domestic courses with 2 different specialities. 1.3 and 1.4 the same specialty, but those 2 are international diploma. Now let's see the difference between all these 4. For domestic diploma, we have 7+1 certification in 1 year. That is for AI11 and AI12, both are domestic. For international diploma, which is AI13 and AI14, it is a 7+2 certification in 1 year. For domestic diploma courses, we have a domestic in-flight training, whereas for international diploma, we have an international in-flight training. The certifications are common for both, which is NSDC, AASSC certification, which is common for both. For domestic diploma, we have 1 month internship in India, and for international diploma, we have 3-month internship in India. Then what is so special about domestic and international is that IATA Montreal, the IATA Montreal certificate, is not issued in the domestic diploma certification, whereas that additional certification of IATA Montreal is issued in the international diploma courses. Hence, the course fee would be 4 lakhs for AI13 and AI14. Now, as I already told you, apart from the 14 courses, we have 2 special courses, which is called the luxury and the metropolitan course. The only difference between these 2, luxury and the metropolitan course, is that the luxury course will not have a 3-month internship in Dubai, whereas the metropolitan course has a 3-month internship in Dubai. That is why there is a fee variation of 6 and 8 lakhs. Under this cost, they take care of everything. They take care except for food. The travel and accommodation has been taken care. 10 certification has been completed in 12 months. A complimentary laptop has been given. 1 month internship in India. International in-flight training. A BBA, MBA university graduation assistance. IELTS training. And certificates from NSDC, AASSC, UK certification, IATA Montreal, IATA Montreal certificate, and an international career experience which we are getting. So all these are same for the luxury and the metropolitan course, except for the 3-month internship in Dubai, which is an added advantage in the metropolitan course. That is why it is for 8 lakhs. So for a lower discounted price, we tend to get these many benefits and a better future as well. So except for food, the travel and accommodation is being taken care of. So Aimful International is keeping our aim and career high. So that is why know the name Aimful, the name can fill your aim. We have various different branches in Mumbai, Delhi, Cochin, Calicut, Trivandrum, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Vizag, Chennai, Coimbatore, Dubai, Malaysia, Singapore. Now you guys would be thinking, okay, I'm doing this course, where will I land up? See, basically the salary range for a cabin crew, a starting salary will be somewhere around 16,300 to 25,000 to 60,000. But after 3 years, it goes up to 40 to 75,000, or it can go up to 80 to 1.5 lakhs as well. So accordingly, for every different profession like a cabin crew or a ground staff, hospitality, ticketing, event management, the salary is really way too high. And our placement, the placement record is more than 5,000 students. Also, the added advantage is that we have a 0% interest loan facility given for people who are really committed and interested in taking up these courses from us. So, then you might wonder, okay, I'm just 18 years old. Am I eligible? Can I apply? Yes, you can, but for you to get a job, you should have passed your HSC, the Higher Secondary School certification. The basic criteria, the height and weight for a cabin crew and air hostess only. The female has to be a minimum of 150, male has to be 160 centimeters. All these details are clearly available in our website. So this is a product course. So if you click here, you can see About Us. When you click About Us, students get work from home option. So you have careers, you have About Us option, you have the CEO's information, the CEO's desk message. So every single thing is available in just this one mobile version of our website, where everything is picture perfect and clear, detailedly described. Then the other doubt what you will have is, what job will I get after this course completion? There are 41 different types of jobs, just if you prefer the airline sector. The same way there are different kinds of available sectors for travel tourism as well. So now let's see. I'm clicking onto this particular course. How should I do the payment? Excluding the course fee, after your document verification, for your application sanction letter, and for the further background verification, a 9,000 fee, the initial fee will be made, and then the initial deposit, a cutoff amount of 30 to 40% of your complete fee will be made, after which you can get the help of a 0% loan facility from us, and you can make the payment in 1 year and 5 installments without any interest. Now I'm choosing this course. I will tell you how to do the payment mode. Metropolitan course, scroll down. As I already told you, apart from the course fee, this 9,000 is document verification, counseling, your interview, your appointment sanction letter, application sanction letter, everything falls into this 9,000. Now if you're interested in this course, I click take your application. If you have a coupon code, you can enter your coupon code. Just click checkout. Can you see? Here itself, it will be mentioning what is your uniform color, red or white, what is the course you've applied for, and then you can click next. So this is how the payment has to be done. So the order shipped during the day at the specified time. Price is 30. Delivery time from 1 to 3 days. Click next again. This is the mode of payment where you can choose which payment mode do you require. So we will be choosing the payment mode. In case if I'm choosing Stripe, I click next again. It asks for your full details, full name, email, your phone number. Post to which you can click checkout. I'm roughly entering a detail here. And I give checkout. Can you see? Your order has been created successfully. You can track your order. Order payment. If you don't see any payment information, click pay and place order. So it's very simple and very easy. So join world's #1 Air Hostess Training Academy today and ensure you land up in the right place and you have a successful career. So you've landed up in the right place, no doubt in it. The world's #1 Air Hostess Training with an NSDC certification, and I'm sure you will not feel, you will feel that you are somewhere, that your career, you will feel right that you have chosen the courses from Aimful and you've landed up in the right place. All the very best. Thank you.